Hello everyone, this is Adrian Howard with Weather Rampage, and it is turning out to be a busy night here in the plain states with severe storms as they continue to move anywhere from the panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma up into areas of Kansas and also areas of Wichita, all the way down into areas of northwest Oklahoma. As these storms continue to move, they have become severe and have produced large hail and damaging winds as they continue to move forward. Now, as far as your weather headlines for tonight and for Sunday, severe storms move into northern and western Oklahoma. These storms could become severe into Sunday. Large hail and damaging winds will be the likely threats with these storms, and it's pretty much going to be the same kind of threat with the storms as we saw on earlier on today. Large hail and damaging winds, some of the main threats, up to quarter-size hail, damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour, and frequent lightning and heavy rainfall. That's kind of what we've seen with these storms on today. And what I wanted to show you is the areas that should receive some severe storms or could have severe storms tonight. As you can see here, this is a map of Oklahoma and Texas. And as you can see, this yellow area, I expect a medium threat for severe storms anywhere from Elk City up to Woodward, up to Enid, to Stillwater, to Ponca City. I do expect strong to severe storms to be possible, and it looks like a broken line right now is moving through Oklahoma in areas of Woodward down into the panhandle of Texas. These storms should move into Oklahoma tonight into Sunday morning, right after midnight, and should produce some very heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, and the potential that they could become severe with large hail and damaging wind gusts. So I just wanted to keep you updated on that as far as the storm intensity levels is concerned. I don't expect a real big severe weather outbreak with these storms, but nevertheless, some much needed rainfall as it has been very hot out there. Temperatures have been into the upper 90s with heat indexes reaching the 100s. So I just wanted to show you also on for hail sizes is concerned. And the hail sizes should range around dime to nickel size hail. I do believe that we could see a few quarter size hail reports from these storms here in Oklahoma, and pretty much in the same areas from Woodward to Elk City to Enid to Ponca City tonight into Sunday morning after midnight. I do believe that these storms will still have that potential. What I wanted to show you now is on the severe weather threat for Sunday. As you can see here, severe weather stretches for Sunday, for your Sunday here in Oklahoma, stretches anywhere from the Oklahoma City metro area, which is in the low end threat for severe storms, all the way up into Stillwater, Oklahoma, up to Enid, Oklahoma, into Ponca City, and into Bartlesville, Oklahoma, and into Wichita, Kansas, and points northeast in the yellow shaded area. And I do believe, as far as the storm intensity levels, the storm intensity levels will be as high as a medium, which means that we could have hail up to the size of quarters, that kind of thing, damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, that kind of event phenomenon from some of these storms that occur and do develop on tomorrow with that wind shift line as it continues to move off to the east and eventually off to the northeast. There is a wave of energy moving through right now, which could spark off these more potential for these storms. So, but I will be keeping you updated as the day wears on your Sunday. And as far as hail sizes is concerned for Oklahoma, I do believe that the hail threat will be pretty much in the same area from Oklahoma City up into Stillwater to Enid to Ponca City to about Bartlesville, Oklahoma, and into Wichita, Kansas, and points northeast of the area. So, hail up to the size of quarters, I do expect with some of the storms, and a lot of dime and nickel size hail reports from these storms. Now, if you live in areas of for tonight into Sunday morning after midnight, As you can see here, I have this area shaded here: Topeka, Kansas; Wichita, Kansas; up into Jefferson City, Missouri; St. Louis, Missouri; Springfield, Missouri; Des Moines, Iowa; and Lincoln, Nebraska. This area is in a what is called a mesoscale discussion area from the National Weather Service, in which the National Weather Service could issue a severe thunderstorm watch in this area. But I do have this area shaded for that potential for storm intensity levels. I do have this area shaded for that potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms developing and moving into the area as a wave of energy. The wave of energy is located somewhere here in Kansas, where I have my pointer located right in this general area, and it will be moving and ejecting into this area, which could prompt the development of more severe storms with large hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. But I'll be keeping you updated on that. These storms should last into Sunday morning. Now, as far as your hail is concerned, again, hail sizes could range up to quarter size. Now, I do think that the wind threat is a little bit higher with these storms on tonight into Sunday morning. The winds could reach 70 miles per hour with some of these storms. But as far as the hail is concerned, dime, nickel, quarter size hail is what you could see from these storms. Now, for your Sunday, this is the area that I have shaded Sunday for the threat for severe weather, for severe storms. As you can see here from Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota, down into Madison, Wisconsin, down into Chicago, Illinois, down into Springville, Illinois, down into St. Louis, Missouri, over towards Jefferson City, Missouri, over towards Topeka, Kansas, up into Des Moines, Iowa, down all the way down into Wichita, Kansas, down into Joplin, Missouri, and also Tulsa, and all the way down into the Oklahoma City metro area. I do expect strong to severe storms. For the Oklahoma City metro area, I do expect those storms to be in the low threat range. But in the yellow threat range, I do expect a medium threat, which means that you could receive hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, as I've been alluding to in this video. And just that kind of thing with the storms as they do move into the area. So kind of a big area on tomorrow on Sunday, and I do believe that this threat will stand as active and will stand to be what will be occurring on your Sunday. Now, as far as the hail is concerned, I do believe that hail will be a threat as well in this area. I think hail will be a threat in this area as well. Hold on, let me go back to my slide here. Okay, I do believe that hail. Oops, sorry about that, everybody. Let me go back to that slide, everybody. I do apologize for that. My computer had a glitch. Yeah, my computer is glitching right now. But anyways, in that area, I do expect there to be large hail up to the size of quarters, and also wind gusts in excess of 60, maybe even 70 miles per hour. This is Adrian Howard with Weather Rampage with your weather headlines for tonight into Sunday morning, also heading into Sunday during the day. I will keep you updated with the latest weather information. You can also keep abreast to the weather information as you go on Facebook, on Weather Rampage website, and also I will keep you updated for the latest weather information. Take care, everyone, and be safe out there.